before. I just have to test it out so I can. But how do I take pictures now? So guys, okay, I'm gonna be the videographer so you guys can walk in front of me. Let's go, ready? Let's do it. No, Safa, Safa, no, you're coming. You have to come for this experience. It's one that you will enjoy. No, we start from here, guys. First we jump. We have to jump in there. Oh, I can't say follow me because I'm video. No shoot is ready. Ruth, are you coming? Okay, let's just walk in front of me. Yeah. Yeah, it's where we were earlier. I wish the sun was out. We should have done it earlier, but so I go. Hopefully the sun comes out. We can do it twice. So you guys are gonna love it. Yo! Just, okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna jump in and then go over there. You know what? You guys just follow me. Okay. You wanna do it? Yes. Okay. Okay, guys. Follow me. Let's go. We're gonna go. Pedal.
It stopped filming.
Harus coba tanda kot.
Huh?
Nanti kau urus sekarang.
I have no idea. It turned black. It's blinking.
But it's playing. It's. Oh, Ruth is missing. No, we're gonna go to the underwater cave over there. Alright. So, we're gonna go to the underwater cave now, okay? who's gonna dive in.